Have you ever waited for the right time to change your life? You say, I'll start tomorrow, when I have more money, when I feel more motivated. But days pass, weeks pass. Motivation never comes. Success doesn't belong to the most talented people. It belongs to the most consistent people. Today's story is not about a rich businessman or a famous celebrity. It's about a quiet woman named Maya, who proved that even an ordinary person can build an extraordinary life with discipline. Maya was 28. She worked at a small bakery in a busy street. Every morning she woke up at 6 a.m., baked bread, washed dishes, cleaned tables, and served customers. It wasn't a bad job, but deep inside she had a secret dream. She wanted to become a professional painter. Ever since childhood, she loved colors more than words. She didn't like talking much, but she could express everything through drawings. She had an old box of brushes at home, but they were covered in dust, just like her dream. I'm too tired after work, she would say. Maybe next month, when I have more money, when I feel more motivated. But days pass, weeks pass. Motivation never comes. One evening, while closing the bakery, she saw a little girl sitting by the door drawing on the pavement with chalk. The girl looked up and smiled. "Do you like my drawing?" she asked. Maya sat beside her. "It's beautiful," she whispered. The girl continued drawing happily and said, "My mom says if I draw every day, I'll become the best artist in the world." Something clicked in Maya's heart. A child believed more in discipline than she did. That night, Maya made a decision, not to change her life overnight, but to start with just 30 minutes a day. She set a simple rule for herself. Paint for 30 minutes after work. No excuses. Even if tired, even if sad, even if uninspired. The first day she almost skipped. Her feet hurt. Her eyes were heavy. But she remembered the little girl, and she picked up the brush. Her first painting was messy. The second wasn't good either. But slowly, her hands became steady. Her colors became brighter. 30 minutes became 45. 45 became an hour. After 3 weeks, she had completed 7 small paintings. She posted them online. No response, no likes. Her mind whispered, "See, it's useless." But her discipline replied, "Keep going." After a month, she received a message. "Hello, do you sell your paintings?" Her hands trembled as she typed, "Yes." She sold the first one for $40. Not much, but to her it felt like winning an award. She used the money to buy better brushes. She painted more. She improved. She started taking small orders, pet portraits, birthday gifts, wall art. Her evenings were no longer empty. They were alive. One day, her bakery manager said, "Why don't you paint something on our shop wall?" She agreed. She painted a giant loaf of bread smiling at the sunrise. People loved it. Customers took photos and tagged her online. More orders came. More walls. More murals. A year later, Maya didn't wake up to bake bread. She woke up to paint full time. Schools invited her to teach kids. Cafes asked her to decorate their walls. She wasn't just surviving anymore. She was living her dream. And when people asked, "How did you stay motivated every day?" she smiled and said, "I wasn't motivated. I was disciplined." So if you're watching this and thinking, "I want to change, but I never finish anything," remember Maya. She didn't wait for motivation. She showed up even when she didn't feel like it. And that's what made her unstoppable. If this story touched your heart and helped your English grow, subscribe for more inspiring tales. Now stop waiting for the right time and start building the right habit. See you in the next story.